Doing a quick video of Ford F-150 2003. So I changed my flash bulbs to LED and my flashers weren't working correctly. So the module you want to get, if your old flasher looks like this, it's a 5-pin, okay? So this is the old flasher, okay? The one you want to buy to replace that's going to be electronic. And it's going to be this one, okay? Now, when I pull the flasher, I like to mark them the way that they get reseated, okay? So you'll know which direction to put them back in. So when you pull them, hold them in your hand, and then you put, like this is facing the driver, right? So I know this side, when it goes back in, it's going to be facing the driver, front, forward, towards the driver. Anyway, you don't have to take your kick panel off and all that. If you want, you can take this panel off and get a little headlight in there, which is what I've got. There's going to be a cover for your flasher, and it's vented. I have no idea why they put a vented cover on this. It doesn't make sense to me, but the only reason I think they do that is to quiet the noise down from the flasher. So I'm going to take you underneath. We're going to take a look and show you how to do this. So coming up underneath here, you're going to have, because nobody really shows you really clear, you're going to have your flashers sitting. Okay, so for reference, this is the front. You have this little pocket here, and then here's your screw. Okay, go straight back. And that's where your flasher assembly is. So I'm going to shove you up in here. I can't tell if you're going to see it, but you should see that this is one relay, and then the other relay, yours will be, for the flasher, it's going to be this one here. See it? So hopefully you guys can see that, because I can't see what I'm recording too good. So you pull that flasher out. Now mine was blue, and you should be able to get to it. So hopefully the video is picking this up. So it's this one here, this bigger one. See how it's larger? That's the one you're going to change. Okay, so coming back out, so you got your reference gas pedal, right? Gas pedal, and then straight up, and come straight, flip right around, and there you are, okay? Right up in there. So pull it out, swap it out, put the cover back on, and you should be able to do this without taking your kick panel off. So there you have it. Hopefully this helps some people out. Over and out.